If your LED toggles twice when you press on, the problem might not be the wiring. It may be the physics inside the button. Buttons bounce. In this episode, we implement the bounce logic and introduce cleaner press handling. We are still using the same circuit from episode 2. The hardware remains exactly the same. The LED connects to GPIO 25. The button connects GPIO 18 to ground. A mechanical button does not transition cleanly from high to low. When pressed, the internal metal contacts vibrate for a few milliseconds. During that time, the signal rapidly oscillates. Without the bounce logic, one press can register multiple presses. Using millis, each time the reading changes, we record the timestamp. We wait a small interval before accepting the change as valid. In this implementation, the bounce time is set to around 35 milliseconds. If the signal remains stable longer than that window, we accept it. We separate two concepts, the current raw reading and the last stable state. Only when a change survives the debounce period do we update the stable state. This prevents false triggers. We detect the transition from high to low. The transition represents a button press event. We trigger the LED toggle only on that edge. Holding the button does not repeatedly toggle the LED. Each press toggles the LED state reliably. With clean edge detection, we can now introduce simple modes. Because the bounce is in place, each press generates exactly one event. This prepares for a more advanced input behavior later. Before compiling, don't forget to select your ESP32 board. Let's now upload the updated firmware. Press the button slowly. Observe one toggle per press. Now press quickly. Still one toggle per press. The behavior is now deterministic and stable. Let's try a longer press. In the next episode, we'll go further. We will refactor the button logic into reusable structure. We will introduce auxiliary buttons, and we will begin building a scalable input system suitable for larger automation projects. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.